Hi there, welcome to Pagelayer. I am your Pagelayer buddy, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to use icon widget. Let's start by dragging and dropping the icon widget from the left widget panel. Here, on the left-hand side you will see different properties of your icon widget. Moreover, on the right side is the display screen of your site, where you can view the live changes of your website. You can set the icon from list of icons available. Let's choose one. You can also set the background space to your icon. Let's set as 20 for now. You can set also the link to your icon or can choose the URLs of different pages from the list of links displayed. You can also set the alignment to your icon to left, center or right. Next is Style and Hovers tab. From here you can set the style to your icon. You can choose the state in which you want to set the styling to your icon, viz normal or hover. Let's keep it as normal for now. Next is the color, where you can set the icon color by going to this color option. Next is the background shape, from where you can set the shape as none, where no shape will be displayed. Circle, where the circle will be displayed to the background of icon. Square, where the square will be displayed to the background of icon. Rounded, where the rounded border will be displayed to the background of icon. Let's choose circle for now. You can also set the size of your icon by just going to this list of sizes available, viz. Mini, small, large, extra large, double large. Or can also set the custom size to your icon by selecting this custom as the option and can set the size from here. Let's choose the extra large for now. Next is the rotate option. In this you can rotate your icon with background like this. Or, if you need to rotate just the icon, you can do so by setting this rotate icon option. You can also set the background color from here. Next is the border tab, in which you can give border to your icon. You can choose the state in which you want to set the styling to your icon, viz normal or hover. Let's keep it as normal for now. You can choose the border type from the list, viz none, solid, double, dotted, dashed, groove. Let's choose solid for now. You can set the border color from here. For setting the border width, you can do so by setting the width of border from here. Next is border radius, from where you can set the radius to your icon. Don't forget to save your changes. To save your work, click the update option. To preview your work, click on this eye icon and you are good to go. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to pagelayer.com/docs.